Bullfrog AI, BFRG is the ticker, BFRG. Bullfrog popped up in my scan yesterday. I didn't check the news on it, but they had some really interesting news that came out. I did a really long, in-depth article on Bullfrog AI a couple of years ago. You can see it right here on my main website, Bullfrog AI. They're a company. They're using AI for drug discovery, and it's legitimate. Like I did my research on the company, and I found the sources that they've been using the John Hopkins platform. They use like this, they work with the John Hopkins Applied Physics Lab since at least 2017, and they're also working with George Washington University. So it's a legitimate company because when you look at these really small companies, you got to make sure that they're legitimate. And so that to me was really interesting. And around that time was when I was realizing that AI is going to be a big part in biology and epigenetics and pharma in general. It already has been, but even more so now. And I did a bunch of research on it. If you want to check it out on my main website, I got a bunch of research here. This is pretty old. It's a couple of years old. The press release that came out yesterday is Bullfrog AI announces a commercial agreement with a top 5 global pharmaceutical company to identify and prioritize therapeutic target in major depressive disorder. And they didn't name the company because it's probably like a non-disclosure agreement. We've got, looks legitimate here that they're working with a big company. You know, I'm always skeptical with press releases. You gotta look into them more. But looking at this, you know, taking it at the face value here, this looks really good. I mean, obviously that's why the stock's up 60% again today. It's up a bunch the other day too.